Uh, I'm just free around here, you know. Uh, I'm just wishing, like if the new volatile people that we have, if it feels like our home, like this. I mean, the feeling is so much to me that when I'm just walking down the street here, I'm just feeling that I wish that our face are home like this. I mean, this is just a little village in Europe. Just a small village, not even a mega city. Let our Nigerian politicians let us face our home like this, like coming down here every month, every year. But they don't have to face our home. So, I mean, the thing is somehow, when I'm walking down the street and I'm seeing those things, when I look back home, the way it is, I mean, it really is somehow sad. But by the way, guys, please, you guys should subscribe. Subscribe, okay? And show love. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Please, you guys should please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, please.
You know, I'm taking you guys around the street. Let me show you around the street. But guys, don't forget to please subscribe, okay? Show love. So let's go.
Yeah, go straight. Yeah, go straight.